Hey everyone, today I will show you how to remove card from Presto account. It's very easy to do. First visit the Presto website, go to their official Presto website www.prestocard.ca or open the Presto Card app. Then click on the sign in button usually located at the top right corner of the home page and enter your account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile. This section is typically accessed through your account name or by selecting an option related to My Account or Account Information. Look for a section labeled something like Payment Methods, Wallets or Managed Credit Debit Cards. The exact wording can vary. Within the Payment Information or Card Management section, you should see a list of your saved debit cards. Find the card you wish to remove and there should be an option to remove or delete next to it. Click this option. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the card from Presto and you have to confirm it. And that's how you can remove card from Presto account.